Hello, I just want to show you people there's a new anti-theft device out, and it's a pouch, looks like carbon fiber, and I'm just going to show you how this works so you can decide whether you want one of these or not. And this will work on any push button start vehicle. So we'll get into the vehicle here in a second. Okay, so this is a Mazda RX-8. So if we get inside here, the key is in this pouch. We'll just put that up there for now. And we'll try to start the vehicle. And I can't start the vehicle here at all, so I'll just show you. The key is in here. Try to do this one-handed. Okay, I take the key out. And now I'm able to start the vehicle. So now what we'll do is we'll put the key back into the pouch. So the key's back in the pouch. And you'll see now on the dash, I don't know if that shows up or not, but you see the little key flashing, showing that there is no key in the vehicle, when in fact there is. There's the key again in the pouch. And what I'll do is I'll take the key back out. So there's the key. And now you can see the key has disappeared, so everything is functioning properly again. So it looks like the pouch is made out of some sort of Kevlar material. This does work so that if a thief does come up to the house and tries to read the key, if it's in the pouch, he can't get the signal to unlock the vehicle and steal it. Thank you for watching. Take care.